I think we are less clear than we thought we were a couple of days ago. I think, and you showed a chart of sterling, which is probably still the best real-time indicator of what's going on there and what the market thinks. And you saw sterling climb a little bit in recent days on the view that actually a softer Brexit was becoming more likely, with the fact that Parliament actually said they didn't want a no-deal Brexit. But you know what, the developments of the last 24 to 48 hours, I think, have actually made things much more uncertain. I think a hard Brexit is on the table. I still don't think anyone wants that, but given the the technicalities of how the votes and timeframes work, I think it remains a really real possibility. And I think the drop in sterling shows that. But at the same time, we're not in the 120, so there's no panic either.
We, of course, had the Bank of England out as well yesterday, keeping rates unchanged at 0.75% and maintaining the view that it expects to really nudge rates up over the next few years if the UK's exit from the EU goes smoothly. What are your expectations when it comes to what policymakers are going to have to do in the UK? With this Brexit mess, of course, we do have inflationary pressures and a strong labour market in the UK to contend with as well.
Yeah, I mean, the BOE are in a really tight spot here. You're quite right. Actually, despite all the underlying negative developments in the UK economy, what has really stayed strong is the labour market. Unemployment is the lowest since the early 1970s. Wage growth is strong. It's a late cycle economy, and under those circumstances, it's quite right. They would normally be looking to tighten policy and raise rates. But it's really overshadowed by the uncertainty around Brexit. And, as plenty of MPC members said themselves, if it is a hard Brexit, in the first instance, they're actually going to have to stimulate and cushion the blow. Where that then leaves the longer term is very uncertain. But the fundamentals point to tighter policy. But along as with investors, it's just very hard for them to do anything until this issue is resolved.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now, to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.